Even better than one. I never know you eat hints. La Paz, but I have other ways to get her food there. I'm not hungry. I eat yesterday. I only eat on Monday. There you go. I think that's a lot, Reming. Let's see how much you can eat, because your own tummy is kind of flat. You're gonna be thick with that one. Now these other ones, I can have one. That tastes good. Yeah. You didn't start eating, Aaron Curdy. After when you're finished, I'm gonna drink Milo. For a second. My favorite Milo. My favorite Milo. Here. That's all. Okay? Come on in. You have been starting eating because your little belly is too small for you. As long as those folks right there, yeah, that folks, yeah, that thing don't need to eat your own food. Millie, I just found you. I heard something. I'll be right back, Millie. How did you get here? Okay, one more. What did you get? You have beautiful blue eyes. They look beautiful. You wanna come eat? Meow! 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 Aw. Let's see how it. Oh! You've been called. Are you too weak to eat? Look, your skin even. Come on. Come on, let's give you something. Come on, you start eating. That won't give you anything when your stomach look like it's blared. Okay.